In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the customer payment in full against all the previous balances, whether it's opening balance, whether it's invoices during the period, because the customer has cleared all this previous balance by giving us cash. So the entry is pretty simple. All you have to do is just click on the top right and click on quick create. And from the sales section, we click on customer payments. Customer name is Justin. As soon as you click here, it will show you the total balance here and the option to enter the amount that you have received. Since the customer is clearing all the balance, I'll just mention this amount, or otherwise you don't even need to mention this amount. You just click on receive the amount in full and it will be automatically mentioned here. Payment date is 25th of January. Payment mode is cash and we are depositing it in cash in hand. Some people prefer to deposit all the cash that is received in undeposited funds so that they can easily track how much cash is in the office and how much cash need to be deposited the next day in bank, let's say. Reference number, we can mention any reference number if we like. And the amount, as you can see here, as soon as we click on receive full payment, it will automatically mention the amount next to each invoices, whether it's opening balance, the complete amount is mentioned that it is paid in full, and same goes for invoice. So amount in excess is 0, all balance is cleared, and we can make any note if we want to use for internal use and not visible to customer. You can also attach a physical copy of it, and after that just click save. It will immediately take you to the payment received section where we can check the journal entry effect by just clicking on these 3 dots and click on view journal. And these are the couple of entries that is passed here, but you will notice that the customer advances is mentioned multiple times, and that might be confusing for you because ultimately cash should be debit and all the account receivable should be credit because the customer has cleared all the receivables balances. So this is a simple entry, right? Cash debit and account receivable credit. But if you notice, customer advance is credit here, but it is adjusted against debit in 2 areas. So this one cancels out with debit, and ultimately the entry will be account receivable credit here and account receivable credit here. So if you add both of these, it will be equivalent to cash in hand. So ultimately the entry will cancel out for customer advances and the remaining entry will be cash in hand as debit and account receivable is credit. So this is how you can receive the full customer payment in Zoho. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.